Well, one of my favorite beauty boxes just arrived, so of course we are going to be doing a full unboxing today of our September Allure box, and I also have a discount code for you guys. Hey beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we're doing the full unboxing of the September Allure box. Now this beauty box is one of my favorites for lots of reasons, but I always enjoy the fact that you are guaranteed 3 full-size items every single month. So if you are interested in purchasing the September box, I do have a link listed down below for you, and I also have an exclusive discount code. So if you would like to purchase this exact same box, you have to order in the month of September. Everyone will be receiving the same items this month. However, there is one item that you can customize the shade on it. So that will be the only thing that could vary from box to box. If you want a particular shade, I would recommend you ordering it quickly because there's only so much inventory for each shade. And once they sell out of that one, they're not going to be restocking. So right now there are 4 different shades available for that product. If you know the shade you want, just go order it right away. I would not wait because if you wait, there's a very good chance it will sell out. So for the month of September, if you decide to purchase and sign up this month, you can not only receive your box at a discount with my coupon code, you'll also receive a free bonus gift. So the free bonus gift for September is TULA skincare. This is a full-size product, and this product I love, you guys. So it is a cruelty-free eye balm product. It's called the Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This is a stick, and what you will do is you actually apply this stick in the under eye area, and it has a cooling effect to it. So it's a really cool product. Like I mentioned, this is a full-sized item. It looks small, but this is legitimately how TULA makes it. You can purchase it at Sephora if you'd like to, but this one item, I'm just letting you know, pays for your entire Allure Beauty Box this month. So for $20, you can get this item plus everything else I'm about to show you. Now, the next item inside of our box is the one that you can customize for September. So everyone will be receiving a product from Nudestix this month. However, the shade is what could vary. So the shade that I have on mine is Sunset Strip. This is a cream blush stick, and it is a full-size product. So this is what it will look like here. Now these blush sticks are really powerful. It does not take a lot of product in order to see the desired effect. So just go light-handed would be my only recommendation. If you go in and just draw it, it is a lot of pigment, and then to blend it out, it's like, honestly, you guys, it looked like my whole face was red. So my tip for this product is just take a little bit, just one little thing, then work that in, whether with your fingers or a sponge or whatever you want to use. See what you think. It is buildable, so you can always layer on more if you would like to, but just start out really low to begin with. So this is what it will look like here. And then, like I said, the shade that I have on here is Sunset Strip. This will be your cream blush color here. I think this color is gorgeous. It has a touch of like a coral tone to it. So it is a bit warmer. If you have warm tones, I think you're gonna really like this color a lot, but it is a really beautiful pigmented cream stick. And then on the reverse side of this, you can actually pull this bottom portion off, and there is a brush attached to it. This will be your buffing blending brush. So there's lots of bristles in here that you can actually blend that out. But the retail price tag on this product is $35 at Sephora if you wanted to purchase it. So again, one item this month will pay for your entire Allure Beauty Box. Next up, everyone will be receiving this Ren skincare product for September. This is their Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Now again, this is 15 ml of product. I saw online that some people feel like this is a travel-sized item. It is not. It is smaller in size, but this is legitimately the size that Ren makes it in. Now, I love this brand because they are very eco-conscious. All of their products can be recycled, and they actually use recycled materials when making like their boxes and different packaging. So I really appreciate that they are a little bit more eco-conscious than some other beauty brands are. Now this is what it will look like here. This is a brightening cream that you'll be able to apply all along that under eye area to make it look smoother and brighter underneath. This eye cream will retail for $51, again, if you wanted to purchase it. So it is a great brand. It 100% works. They have a lot of products that I really enjoy. A lot of moisturizers are really good from this brand. So this one is a steal to have this month. I really hope you guys try it because it is a really great product. Now, I know for some they're thinking, well, why are we getting 2 eye products all in one month? Keep in mind that this TULA eye balm that I showed you earlier, this is only for new members. So existing members are not receiving 2 eye products this month. They're only going to have this one item. Our next full-size item that we have today is from Beauty for Certain. Now, this is a brand that has been around for a little while, and I just tried a couple of their products out. I can't remember, did I get them at Ulta or Sephora? It's at one of them, I forget which one. But I actually like these glosses a lot, you guys. So when I saw it was in the September box, I was like, this is good. So even though I know some people may not be familiar with this brand, they are an established company. They have been around for a while now. This will be a full-size gloss. So it is a high pigment lip gloss. The shade that we have is called Diamond, and it is a clear gloss that has a little bit of shimmer in it. Now this again is a full-size product. I know it looks small, but this is just how they make it. And the shimmer is not too bold, but it's going to give you this really great gloss that is also very hydrating for your lips. It's not sticky. It's not thick either. Personally, I don't like a really thick lip gloss. This just feels like a very nice lightweight gloss, but you still see that shine on there, and you can see that it has a little bit of that shimmer in there as well. So it's very comfortable. I feel like you could wear this over lipstick if you wanted to. Like if you wanted to do like a matte color even, you could definitely spread this over top just to give you some shine. But you could wear this without lipstick as well. It's very universal. So this one I think is a really good product again this month. If you wanted to purchase this one, it does have a price tag of $22 on it. Next up inside of everybody's box for September, we will be receiving a lip liner. This is from a brand called Dear Midnight, and the shade name is called Stella. This is also a full-size product, and if you wanted to purchase this one, it does come in at $18 for this one. Now, we are all receiving the exact same shade for this month. This is going to be a very soft pink color. It's kind of got a dusty rose vibe. It is a cream liner, so it should be very easy to apply. But you can pair this with the lip gloss if you want to. You could actually blend this out and give yourself a little bit of a soft pink look all over, not just as a liner. And then you could throw that gloss over top. I'm just saying it's a possibility. It's very pretty. Now, this will come sealed inside of your box as well. I've already removed the seal just because I wanted to show you guys what it looked like, but just know that in your box, once you receive it, it is a fully sealed product. The next item included in everyone's box will be a travel-sized item. This is called the Red Flower Cleansing Hair Wash. So we have 40 ml of product. This is a cruelty-free product and paraben-free as well. And it features botanical extracts, B vitamins, and tree oils inside of this. This one is supposed to be a shampoo for your hair and to cleanse, but because it features so many natural ingredients, it's supposed to be a softer cleanser, and so that's why it's considered different. Additionally, we also have a cleansing balm from the Clean It Zero company. Now, this is going to be a travel size version. They have reformulated their formula. So this is a brand that we have seen in the Allure box before. However, this is a different product than what we've had in the past. So what we have here is from the Vanilla Co. company, and it is a balmy texture. It is a facial cleanser that will remove makeup and oils, dirt, things like that. And what it will do is it actually will melt into your skin into a really nice lather. So it is safe for sensitive skin. It's very gentle. I have used several of their products and they've all been very kind to my skin. So I can confirm that. This particular cleanser they reformulated, and it's designed to be a calming swelling sensation. So if you have any irritation or redness, this would be the cleanser that you would want to go towards. And it's because they added the Cica relief. Is that how you pronounce it? Is it Cica? They added that ingredient to this, and that's why it's changed now. This is a K-beauty item, and I do feel like I see their products everywhere, so it is very popular, but I've not tried this one with that new added ingredient. But I would assume, since that's the only thing that's different, that based off of my previous experiences, this should be a really safe formula to use. I think it's gonna work just fine. And last up for today is our free bonus product this month. So for the month of September, Dove is actually sponsoring this product in all of their boxes. So all of us are getting to try out one of their cleansing bars. So this is a soap bar. We will have 3 different scents, but we're not able to choose the scent. So you will receive a cleansing bar, but it could be in one of 3 scents inside of your box. So this one that I have is the Coconut and Milk Sugar Scrub. It is a full-size product at 5 ounces. You can purchase it for $5.99 if you would like to. The other scents that are available for this month will be an oat milk and berry brulee, or there's a turmeric milk and lemon drop scented one as well, which that actually sounds really good too. Now this one smells great. It just smells sweet and it smells like soap. So I can't say it's like the best smelling thing out there, but it also doesn't smell bad at all. It's just a very, it's just a sweet soapy scent. So that is everything inside of the September Allure Beauty Box, you guys. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Again, if you would like to purchase this exact same box, it is available for the month of September, and you'll be able to receive everything that I just showed you guys today. New members, not only can you use my code to save some money, but you'll also get that free bonus product as well. In terms of value, the value is there. One item will pay for this box. Whether you're a new member or an existing member, it will pay for this entire box. But additionally, I think there's a lot of heroes in here that are a great chance for you to try out. So like I said, I saw online already, I was looking on Instagram, I looked on Reddit, and a lot of people were like, well, I don't know this brand of the BFC. I'm telling you, it is really good. Give it a shot. I really like their lip glosses a lot. Additionally, the Ren skincare product is very good, tried and true. It's been around for quite a while as well. So I feel like this month is really good without some people knowing it. So don't pass on this one. I'm telling you, give it a shot. There's a lot of goodies inside of this box this month. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!